Hi guys, this is Ryan at Halo Inc. and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a job for these U-line laser labels on the Versant 180. So the first thing we're going to want to do is come over here, open up your box. We're going to be loading these into tray 1. Go ahead and pop your tray open, grab your labels, and you feed them face down. Like that. They kind of curl up, so just try to push them down a little bit, make sure your guides are nice and snug. Now, when you come over here, this is going to be the setup for the labels. So what you're going to want to do is change settings, and this is where you set it up. So you're going to go into your paper type, and it's going to default up here. So you're going to come down to labels, and then it's going to be, for this one, 136 to 157. Save. Confirm. And that's it. You're ready to send your job.